Good people, so we're out here and today we're going to be styling one of my thin part wigs by Innovative Weaves and Wigs. This one is an 18-inch Yaki wig. And so before when I installed it with you guys, I showed you what it looked like when you straightened it out completely. So today we're going to be adding some curls. As a reminder, a thin part wig is the upgraded version of a U-part wig. So prior we left out lots of hair, but now we're going to be leaving out just a small amount, and this amount of hair is going to cover both sides of my wig. And so to get it clipped on, I already have my hair nice and parted, and I'm just going to take the clips and apply it to the hair, and then I'm going to snap down. So on this video, I'm going to kind of go out of order just because I will be curling this wig. And so to do that, I am going to be using a curling wand. Now, I wish I could tell you all about where I got this one, but it's so old that I don't remember, but I have several. This is just my go-to. We are going to be curling away from our face, and then we're going to go a little further. So just go on the journey with me and we'll rock it out from there. At this point, we are going to take that hair and wrap it around that wand again away from the face. Guys, because I did straighten this hair out first, these curls are a lot looser and more like a beach wave. But if I were to curl it in its original texture, then the curls would be a lot tighter. But because I'm kind of going for that kind of wedding-ish, reception-ish kind of style, I definitely wanted these curls to be more like a body wave. So this is what it looks like after it's been curled. I'm just going to make sure everything is blended and everything looks nice and ready. That's the back view. Yes, thin part wig. Okay, now that I've got my curls all combed out, I'm going to make two little raggedy twists. They cannot be perfect, okay? So I'm just going to take some pieces at the front, and you can leave out the hair wherever you want to leave it. I just prefer a little piece right there at the front. So I'll just make twists, and it will be super loose and super raggedy. I'm actually going to end up making about 4 of them at the front of my head. Now at this point in the back, I am just going to take a chunk of hair and make a twist, and then take a pin and just kind of push them in there. I push it a little higher just because I know it's eventually going to go a little bit flatter, but this is what the back pretty much looks like. Now for the front, we have a couple of options, but remember the 2 pieces you twisted earlier? You're actually going to take the 2 of them and you're going to combine those pieces into a single big twist, but again, make sure it's not like a twist out twist. You don't want it really tight and looking like it ain't going nowhere. The point of this style is to kind of be kind of messy or imperfect and yet still be beautiful. I call it the perfectly imperfect hairdo. So there it is, again, not perfect. And so we are going to make sure that there's nothing showing as far as the root of our wig. And we are just going to take that piece and take a hairpin, and we are just going to stick it in there. And we are going to repeat this for both sides. To finish off the back, I did add a little flower arrangement just for more of a romantic look. Here, you will finesse it until you're happy. And that, my dear, is how you create a simple, messy, beautiful updo. As a reminder, this is the final look. Remember, you can find this wig at innovativeweavesandwigs.com. Use discount code SEWWIGGED OUT.